Welcome, little learners. Today, we're going to explore some fun words that all start with the letter G. Can you say G with me? Now let's dive into each word and have some fun learning together. Ready? Let's go.
G is for goat. Can you say goat? Ga, ga, goat. G is for grapes. Can you say grapes? Ga, ga, grapes. G is for green. Can you say green? Ga, ga, green. G is for garden. Can you say garden? Ga, ga, garden. G is for giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Ja, ja, giraffe. G is for guitar. Can you say guitar? Ga, ga, guitar. G is for goose. Can you say goose? Ga, ga, goose. G is for gate. Can you say gate? Ga, ga, gate. G is for glass. Can you say glass? Ga, ga, glass. G is for gift. Can you say gift? Ga, ga, gift. G is for grass. Can you say grass? Ga, ga, grass. G is for gold. Can you say gold? Ga, ga, gold. G is for game. Can you say game? Ga, ga, game. G is for globe. Can you say globe? Ga, ga, globe. G is for girl. Can you say girl? Ga, ga, girl. G is for giggle. Can you say giggle? Ga, ga, giggle. G is for glue. Can you say glue? Ga, ga, glue. G is for grapefruit. Can you say grapefruit? Ga, ga, grapefruit. G is for grandfather. Can you say grandfather? Ga, ga, grandfather. G is for grandmother. Can you say grandmother? Ga, ga, grandmother. G is for ground. Can you say ground? Ga, ga, ground. G is for gloves. Can you say gloves? Ga, ga, gloves. G is for gown. Can you say gown? Ga, ga, gown. G is for gummy. Can you say gummy? Ga, ga, gummy. G is for giant. Can you say giant? Ja, ja, giant. G is for ginger. Can you say ginger? Ja, ja, ginger. G is for gravy. Can you say gravy? Ga, ga, gravy. G is for glitter. Can you say glitter? Ga, ga, glitter. G is for grow. Can you say grow? Ga, ga, grow. G is for greenhouse. Can you say greenhouse? Ga, ga, greenhouse. G is for gum. Can you say gum? Ga, ga, gum. G is for good. Can you say good? Ga, ga, good. G is for give. Can you say give? Ga, ga, give. G is for guess. Can you say guess? Ga, ga, guess. G is for garbage. Can you say garbage? Ga, ga, garbage. G is for germ. Can you say germ? Ja, ja, germ. G is for garage. Can you say garage? Ga, ga, garage. G is for grains. Can you say grains? Ga, ga, grains. G is for go. Can you say go? Ga, ga, go. G is for group. Can you say group? Ga, ga, group.
Great job, everyone. You did an amazing job saying all those G words. Keep practicing and you'll get even better. Remember, every time you say a word, you're learning something new. Come back next time to have fun with the letter H. Till then, keep exploring and have fun.